Bugatti has never been about compromise. And in 2026, that legacy continues with the all-new Bugatti Tourbillon, a hyper-hybrid that blends raw combustion power with electric innovation, sculptural design with aerospace engineering, and exclusivity with evolutionary performance. Let's start with the name, Tourbillon. It comes from the intricate watchmaking world, referring to a rotating cage that defies gravity to keep time precise. Bugatti chose this name to symbolize the fusion of mechanical mastery and precision electrification, a timepiece on wheels, engineered for eternity. Visually, the 2026 Tourbillon is unmistakably Bugatti, but it evolves every line. The iconic horseshoe grille is larger and more integrated. The quad LED light blades are inspired by horological skeleton dials, with the front end sculpted by aerodynamics rather than just aesthetics. There's more exposed carbon fiber than ever, layered in flowing, muscle-like patterns. Its proportions are impossibly low and wide. The central spine echoes the Type 57 Atlantic, and the massive rear diffuser, active aero wing, and turbine-style wheels all serve performance. It's not over-designed, it's engineered art. Now let's talk power. Underneath the rear clamshell is a completely new 8.3-liter naturally aspirated V16 engine developed with Cosworth. That's right, a 16-cylinder engine in an era of downsizing. But it's only part of the equation. Bugatti pairs that masterpiece with a tri-motor electric setup, 2 motors in the front, 1 in the rear, producing a combined system output of over 1,800 horsepower. It's a plug-in hybrid, with a 25 kWh battery allowing 37 miles of electric-only range. Silent city cruising, possible. Track insanity, inevitable. 0 to 60, under 2 seconds. Top speed, electronically limited to 277 miles per hour. Acceleration is near instant thanks to the electric motors, while the V16 provides the soul, the drama, and the theater that no EV alone can replicate. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon rides on a new monocoque chassis with advanced carbon composites and titanium integration. It features adaptive dampers, active ride height adjustment, and full torque vectoring. But despite the tech, it retains hydraulic steering for analog feel, because Bugatti believes soul matters. Inside, the cabin is a horological masterpiece. Analog gauges sit inside sapphire crystal domes, suspended from the dash like luxury watch complications. No center screen, no distractions, everything is mechanical, tactile, and beautiful. Levers are made from titanium. Switchgear is milled aluminum. Even the drive mode selector clicks like a tourbillon winding crown. The steering wheel is minimal, with the digital HUD embedded in the center cluster. A small digital panel handles climate, while everything else is pure craftsmanship. Every car is fully customizable, with Bugatti's Sur Mesure program allowing you to tailor leathers, metals, carbon weaves, and even your own family crest if desired. Of course, this car isn't mass-produced. Just 250 units will be made globally, with prices starting north of $4.3 million. That includes concierge delivery, lifetime maintenance, and global support. Buyers are curated. Each tourbillon is essentially a commissioned art piece. But despite the opulence, the tourbillon is an engineering moonshot. It proves that even in an EV era, combustion and electrification can coexist, not just functionally, but emotionally. Bugatti hasn't abandoned its roots, it's evolved them into something transcendent. In a world of silent EVs and synthetic experiences, the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is the thunderclap that reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. It's not just a vehicle. It's a time machine, a tribute to analog beauty, and a glimpse at the next century of speed.